Hi, it's Rick here from the CAD Jewellery School again, and just wanted to look at another issue, and this is to do with the Pearl Cup. So, in the most recent update of MatrixGold, if you select a gem, you can come and select a different cut, so it's cabochons and gems and pearl. So we'll select a pearl. The shape is round, but you'll notice there is an option to unlock the sizing here. So, obviously in the case of something like an Acquia pearl, they're certainly as symmetrical as you'll get. So let's just press enter here to close out the tool and select the pearl and come to settings and to Pearl Cup. So this works as expected. It creates a cup for our pearl. I'll just press enter to close out of this. Now let's select the pearl again and come in and edit it. Now you'll see if I change its length, it's not an issue. So let's make this 5.8 or something. I don't know, just make it more egg-shaped. The cup reformats and fits the adjusted shape because the circumference, the diameter, if you like, is still circular. But you'll see if I change the width here, let's make it 4.5 for example. Just press enter. You'll see it changes the shape of the pearl, but the cup has got an error message here. Let me just click enter through here. And it just, it can't actually generate that on an oval sort of shape. So if you're using freshwater pearls or Tahitian pearls, both of which can be slightly irregular, the Pearl Cup will not work, at least in the current version of MatrixGold. Okay, that's it for that short video. Bye for now.